Hey, what is up everybody, Bam52 here, and all I want to say is that I got Fraps and I feel good about it. Well, we're playing Hunger Games here, and I just want now I can talk in my videos, which is good. So, anyways, so what's up? I want to know what you guys are doing. I don't know, cause you know, I'm a loner, and no one likes me. I'm just kidding now. All right, 10 seconds left. 8, 7, 6. 1, and let's go. Oh god. Oh god. Got it. Ah, crap. Run like the wind, bullseye. Run like the wind. Oh god. Die, you. Oh god. Me. This is just. Jeez, the loud sound on that is really high. Whatever. At least I can talk now, which is fine. No more of the music. Now commentary. And if you guys like it, leave a like if you like it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but those are my birds, and I don't feel like it. And they are just annoying as heck, aren't they? Ooh, ladder. Let's climb a ladder. Whenever you see a ladder, climb it. It can lead you to your certain death, but climb it anyways, because it'll be fine. Going up pretty high here. Pretty high. I just hope someone doesn't shoot us off with a bow. That would be very, 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 very bad. Okay. Ooh, yay. More TNT. Boop, boop. Alright. Let's just throw that off. Alright. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, that's what. Never mind. Ow. So, if you guys like it like this, just leave a like. If you guys don't like it, it's a little bit too laggy. Oh, by the way, the video might be a little bit laggy because the frame rates on this are really bad, but it'll be better than you think. Whatever. That's pretty much it. A lot of people are dying right now. I don't know what to do then. Why can't I kill somebody? I can't find. Oh, there we go. Right exactly when I said it. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Die! Ah! Die, you! Come back here. Die! No. Ah, he just gave me the particles, not actually hitting him. Come on, you. I'm tired of you. Get over here. That's not good. Man, these birds are annoying. I don't even take them out. Come back here. He has a chest plate on you. Gimme. Nah, I suck. It's so laggy while recording that I can't even, like, I can't even hear him. Let's go. Oh man. Alright. Got to kill somebody. Where are they? Up there, a couple people there, and I don't know if I want to mess with them. Yeah, let's just not mess with them. I don't really want to die like always. Because, you know, my videos, if you ever see my videos, I die. Pretty much. That's all I do. So, alright, those birds are annoying. Wow, that's kind of getting way too loud. Shut up! Oh man. I can't find anybody. What is wrong with this? Wow. Remind me next time to take out my birds after this. Yeah, sorry about the birds, everybody. This is just stupid right now. I can't take them out because I don't want to, like, stop playing and someone kills me right here. Oh, jeez. Alright. And turn on him. Let's go. Oh, that's the same guy that didn't have a weapon. Why didn't I just fight him? Man, I hate those birds. Stupid lag, I hate you. Wow. Them birds. Or, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go look for some more chests because I need some good loot. I only have like one pork chop left. Wait, why am I saying pork chop? Raw beef. I need raw beef. I just hope the video doesn't come out very laggy. Even though it might, but whatever. I'm trying my best to not lag that much. Whatever. I just hope the commentary doesn't screw up either. Wait, chest. Please don't tell me it's empty. Yes, both. Oh man. Let me just do this. Someone's knocking on the door real quick. Okay. Oh god, someone's just hitting me. Oh god, that was a very late notice, but I gotta be very quiet. I'm hunting rabbits. Oh man, this is not good. I'm getting chased by a super duper guy. Ooh, wow. That's not good. Oh god, there's someone here. No, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Oh god, I hate teams. Don't die on me, please. Okay, drop a TNT. Ah! Oh jeez, don't blow me up, please. Are they still there? Or are they still? Oh, yes, I can eat. Right. Ooh, nice escape. Stupid birds, I hate them. I'm sorry, you guys, this is just horrible. I hate those birds. Jeez. But you don't even know the lag right now. The lag is just too much. Wow. Oh, I think what is he? No, I thought that was him. Never mind. Not to get scared or anything, but I'm kind of playing in really lag issues right now, so. Well, hold on. I just need to do something real quick. Alright. Back. Oh god. Kill him! No! Not gonna die like this. Oh god. No, I don't wanna die. I'm famous on skin now. Oh god, no, I just wanna stay until deathmatch, please. Dang it! This is not fair. Whatever. I guess this episode will be just to say that I got fraps and everything. Could be a little bit laggy, but whatever. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thanks you guys for watching, and see you later. Bye bye.